a Highside, a type of crash that involves the back end losing traction, moving round sideways to the bike yours, and then finds traction again, flipping up and ejecting the rider straight over the top. That's what happened. Still recording. And that's that. While not an ideal situation, fortunately it happened on track, and as you can sort of tell from the clip, there was maybe 8 seconds before sirens were there and they were straight onto me. Before I figured out which way was up, there was crew attending me to find out exactly what went on, and then within maybe 10 minutes I had the all clear from the doctor. I've got away with a few bumps and scrapes. Unfortunately, the Honda seemed to fare a little bit worse. So I'll have a look over the bits and see what we need to do to get it ready for racing in September. Now at the front here we have the brake lever and the bar end have just ground off. It went down on the left side and has flipped over forwards. So the right hand side has taken most of the damage. We've got the foot peg has gone off, a little bit of marks on the tail, and obviously quite a lot on the fairings down there. Now I have a feeling with how the mount is broken, we've got quite a job to pull this back into some sort of semblance. Yeah, it's just not meant to be like that, is it? But it's alright, it should be repairable. It'll require a good lot of work. Now on the left hand side, which is really unusual because as the bike's come round and gone down on the left hand side, it's moving that way, so you'd expect the lever to be bent the other way, but it's twisted down and gone round. If anyone has an explanation for how that's happened, I'd love to hear it. We're going to attempt to get a bit of heat into that and see if we can bring it back. If not, I'm just going to have to replace it. So I think the biggest issue is the fairings and getting it sort of looking a bit respectable. Everything else is just little bolt-on pieces. The clip-on, fortunately, as you'll see in the clip, moved. It was sort of as the bike went down and hit the impact, it sort of pulled in. So it's actually, it moves, but that means that it hasn't bent, which is nice. So it's just a case of getting it back to where it should be and tightening it down. So, lucky really, silver lining, limped away. Bike took it worse, could have been a bit more messy, but that is the benefits of being on track, is that you have medical staff and stuff there waiting to get on you immediately. So yeah, if you aren't on the Facebook, then watch the clip again. I think we're up to about 4,000 views on the Facebook because I just stuck it straight up on there. But I gotta look after my YouTube people. If you've got any insight as to how to fix these fairings the best way, let me know. We'll get some people that know what they're doing to come and have a look, and pop down the man cave, give it a proper full inspection. Nothing was leaking, it runs fine, doesn't seem to be like anything major is twisted on the tail, and everything seems in line. The exhaust isn't blowing anywhere, so it looks like it really got away with it, but we need to give it a full inspection to properly check and confirm that. But yeah, there's the update. Let's watch the clip again.